Hello, for I Tech in Chi. I'm super excited to see you in this year. This year is a year of technology, it's a year of education. Investment here. IT is the best investment to do. I mean, invest in yourself. All right, so throughout this year, we will be taking the step to look at how I basically first baby na kase almost person dive into ethical hacking, cybersecurity. I have decided to start up a everyday challenge, like a series format. Me person me dem ma wo utumi ebabe hacker, and I say ube to me aba into the hacking system. Now, before we get started, say would him say one subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Me adomane so me a subscribe button so me adomane so. Send be ya the new update be aba wo message. Na on sa so be to me account. And ne ye ba be share kwan a ye be fa so ye be download it. Na ye install Kali Linux. Ewo yen operating system ne so. Obi be ka se me use Apple kwan be ne me fa so ameye no. Ye be share. Obi beka se me use Windows kwan be na mefa so ayebe no ye be hwe obi mpo ebeka se na se me format me drive no so na me format me computer no so na me sign installing the for na se don't worry ye be ye na obi be busa se computer be na ye applicable to install Kali Linux so enunti ena ne video wo before we get started and we dive into this, na bomodin nemia share button so share fama ubia oben ubia opese ono nsusu esia hacking ni bi. Right. So before we dive into this, let's see how we can download our Kali Linux. Well, to download Kali Linux, now very simple. Open your favorite browser. I mean, browser BIA we use BIA. In my case, me use Google Chrome. So I just open a new Google Chrome. Now, say me BIA Google Chrome ni CCA. Near what's our say google.com. Just like that. Now, so about google.com. Very simple. First one is a virtual machine. Ebe boya me to me run Kali Linux no way computer na so. Near tosu mienu Kali Linux operating system na nkasa. Now, I will be talking a little bit about these kind of two things. First of all, search it Kali, Kali, like this. Just Kali. Now, we will say at the first search engine about Kali Linux, penetration testing and ethical hacking. So we will be way so. Na at the aba official website. Well, more documentation. I mean, over to me read a lot about them, and also read the documentation. I'll be me away so. Na I redirected the work on docs. Tia hanum no to me introduction installation like so. Say we installation yeah, and then more visualization. Now let me explain this on a low level. Send your bear to me at TSA. Now, maybe Casafa Neoma Miensa Wepe, and also, but Mamin Casanfa Neoma Miensa Wepe. Now, first one here installation. Installing Kali Linux on desktops, laptops using .iso file, which is either 64-bit or 86. Well, technically 64-bit near 64-bit operating system. And 86 near your friend 32-bit operating system no and you be bia now see a basa installation where and only a friend clean install so with that kind of steps we now will be using a best format will hard drive so na install Kali Linux no wo computer so instead of say Windows also no udum computer now so bia na Kali Linux ne beba. No, I mean, over to me read way and over say more concept no I now we a installation no. So installation say who replace it with Windows na computer so no. And no you will need a pen drive to so to be create bootable Kali Linux operating system now the track that is called the clean install. Now the second one is called the virtualization. Well, that is what we will be going to use. Virtualization, let's say we use vms need normal virtual machines. Now vms no you will be one a year accepted by Kali. Now vms way no bako a VMware, the other one a VirtualBox, the other one a Hyper-V. Near di hɔ biom yɛ Parallel, near ɛtɔ so biom a Proxmox, and afei Vagrant. You see, when we nyinaa yɛ virtual machines, it's like computer foforɔ a wobɛtumi anya wɔ wankasa wo computer no so. Na wode install it wɔ Kali Linux no. So yɛbɛtumi use any of wei mu ɛde ayɛ saa adeɛ no. So yɛbɛgo in for VMware. And no any me pese me de show now to make it. Now let's go to the last one. Now the last one is actually the USB thing. Last one here USB, and as you can see we know a portable Kali would they be go pen drive. So it is all pen drive. I bet to me I bootable or pen drive so the pen drive nisha computer now restart the computer now ube to me as selected from the pen drive no na what me ayɛ bibia wɔ saa pen drive no so no ɛda ɛngya trace bia ɛwɔ wo computer no so ɛmfama because operating system no nyinaa akɔ akɔgu ɛyɛ wo pen drive no so. That will be here on another video nti no yɛnhwɛ. Now kwan bɛn so na yɛbɛtumi afa so a yɛbɛ the Kali Linux. That is very very important. Nti yɛn go back to kali.org no baabi ɛhyɛ ase free no. Now what we're going to do is click saa download way so ɛbɛ redirect to the wabaha. Now yɛbɛhia virtual one say or image wɔ ha ɛnyɛ image ɛnyɛ img ne yɛhia virtual machine. So wobɛmia virtual machine way so now obisa say opɛ VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, Quemo, and I say any of them deɛ na opɛ. You see, so yɛn yɛbɛuse VMware for this process. Well, size near 3 gig, so you actually have to relax and find some time to download this. So several person will download in Mia way so click on side download way so we won't automatically eventually see a download the ewa at the amount. Now say a download the at the mawa nyabotre mano into me and download the area. And the moment a bed download the area now was so call to baby a download the at the koto and in many case now I download the at the aquacoto a year me directory way. So very simple. Very very simple. So when you sa Kali zip file way na I just say you are halfway gone. Now so Kaya I want to say we were talking about virtual machine which is VMware ewa. So how can we get the VMware? You go back to Google. Now me pacho ahano best search it download VMware workstation layer. Say yeah. Now, so when you search it, download VMware workstation player. First link never bana miaso. So mia first link in this was truly brother. Ube try workstation player for Windows. Say Linux and so now we use no download it, but we are using Windows in our case. So click it download now. So the moment I click it, so automatically won't say a shasi at downloading so ewaha edit amount. So just wait for it to complete the download process, and trust me, it will be completed in no time because size nishada and subebrisa. So the moment over to me we meaning you are halfway good to go. Now you a VMware player no ha, and you a Kali no ha. Now, the first thing we have to do is say be install away. And on a virtual computer in computer way so I bet to me install Kali Linux no so amana and a BM no we will also bet try na Yeah, nneɛma baako mmienu mmiɛnsa bi by extracting and then keeping it safe and all those kind of things. What I say, better try ni ayɛ saa adeɛ no. So now to install a workstation, a say net here, ɛbɛba say at the amount. Installation process ni very very simple. Click next. Now for me, I accept the terms of the license agreement. No me next. Now me next ude jan say ya me okay, enhanced keyboard driver me way so. We no obeka cho say a reboot may be required. Meaning say baby some worry start your computer no. So me next. Now no me next. Now for me next. On say me will be was so that into no me go ahead me upgrade. But what the any install? The same process na bibi foforo bi ansesa. Enti si yenya download ni ye install it ye virtual machine ni via. Any na ye betumi go ahead na fe ya extract nia aka no so at the account. Cause a very very simple say ubetumi ate sa concept way na because se utumi ti ase a enye den. Now, whilst your workstation player no downloading no after yɛma yɛ Kali ne so mepɛ sɛ me extract the good this same directory, so me right click na mabɔ extract all anaasɛ wobɛtumi use applications bi te sɛ WinRAR anaasɛ wobɛtumi use application bi te sɛ WinRAR anaasɛ WinZip anaasɛ any extractor bi ade ayɛ, so we are no amia extract ne so when a extracted files na ɛwɔ Kali ni mu nyinaa de abegu one folder mu at the amount. Yes, so install a drivers na so. Now there is one thing I have to talk about. Yɛwɔ adeɛ bi a yɛfrɛ no system virtualization. System virtualization no ɛkyerɛ sɛ system virtualization no ɛkyerɛ sɛ wo computer no ɛwɔ features bi a ebetumi accept virtualization, but saa deɛ wei no ɛwɔ sɛ wokɔ na wokɔ enable no wɔ wo BIOS settings. It is a we install VMware no na sɛ ɛma problems a that might be the cause of it. What you say? Nti no yeah, no, checking it out. But sɛ wonya any challenge bi a leave it in the comment section below and I'll be very happy to help you out. Now, since your workstation area yemia finish. Now, yemia finish yen Kali no eguso extract is almost 13 gig. So yemma ne kwan na extracting we. Now, yankonko bie yen VMware no. Say and I'll be hono. It just mia so keke. Se wo mia VMware no so say ya ebe bie e the amount say. And I say any dialogue be at the baby I would emanate how. Just click on next. Use it for trial. Nothing really fancy about this. Kopim say ubenya ni nyina awie. Now, yɛntwɛn kopim say yɛn Kali no ebe extracted e de awie. So, sɛ ɛbɔ mmɔden extract wie a wobɛhu folder bi sei. Sɛ yɛ extract yɛ Kali no yɛbɛnya no ɛwɔ the same directory nim ɛwɔ ha. So yabenya additional Kali folder no so kura Kali with all your Kali files. Now back to a Kali back to a virtual machine no. Kwan bɛn so na ebetumi afa so ebie a virtual machine. Well, this is very simple. So me open a virtual machine no. Umia so pe. Na fe wakɔhwehwɛ baabi a wo Kali Linux folder na we extract here no one. Biem. Now ubiem a obehu file we. Pacho mia so. Ne mia open. Now se wo mia open a edi we beba. So we ubetimi rename na frɛ no hacker. So it doesn't matter. Ubetimi rename no afrɛ no bibia wo pɛ o rename no bia. So since I hear no mia so ne mia I was say mia play virtual machine, but there were other settings be hanuma I was see play along with. So yanko edit virtual machine. Share so memory na share computer ni no. Below 2 gig and more than 2 gig. Say 8 gig and below 8 gig. So in my case, me to choose 4 gig for this virtual machine. Also processors no 4. So processor no into me and do 8 men select 8. And do 4 men select 4. And do 2 men select 2. So in my case, may use 4 by default. Maybe na mia start or play virtual machine. So when you mia play virtual machine, say ya a bit be VMware no at the amount. Well, this is what I have to tell you. Initially, no, say if it is your first time or run a Kalia, it will take you some time, kakra. Yes, it will take you some time, kakra, before it completes. So I was me sure say ne dear one kasa to me at download it. Now I install it Kali Linux and wow computer so. Mra once one format will drive one year share I mean you wouldn't do any extra thing which will harm your files or do anything. Now, if you find this video to be useful and helpful, Pacho, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So TikTok also now help me and follow me. What TikTok. But more than say follow me in the social media handles ni na. Aha. I tech in chi. Me that's it.